Good afternoon, sir. We're discussing improving windmill efficiency through motion and kinematic analysis. Before we begin, let me introduce myself and my team members. My name is Sharma Evelagili, and my team members are Grace J. Guemo, Jessica B. Fideliaga, Sheila B. Lapais, Michelle B. Hansero, Ina Bilasin, Patricia Megan Diaz, and John Mark Manais. Wind power is gaining importance in the Philippines as a renewable energy source. Windmills convert wind energy into electricity, providing a clean and sustainable alternative. However, efficiency improvements are needed. This study aims to analyze windmill motion and identify strategies from improving efficiency in Barangay Ginlaon, Sorsogon City. This could reduce reliance on fossil fuels and promote a cleaner environment. Now, we'll hear from Grace Guemo about the background of the study.
Background of the study. Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of power, but it is often wasted due to inadequate use. So, we're working to improve windmills in Ginlaon, Sorsogon City using computer simulation by making the windmills more energy from the wind. This will help us use less fossil fuels and keep the air clean, making our environment healthier. So let's hear the next presenters, Miss Ina and Miss Patricia. They will tackle the objective of the project. The project aims to demonstrate a minimum 5% increase in energy generation from a small scale 3-blade wind turbine prototype through iterative design improvement. The project will follow this step. Kinematic model development. The kinematic model development is a basic kinematic model will be created to simulate turbine performance, guiding design choose. Prototype fabrication and initial testing. A prototype will be built and tested to establish a baseline energy generation level.
Iterative design requirement. Prototype design will be iteratively focusing on wind aerodynamics and with testing after use at the high speed. Comparative performance elevation. Rigorous testing will compare the final prototype against the initial baseline to quantify the efficiency improvement, targeting specification, determination, and environmental and impact assessment. A report will detail the methodology results and conclusions, including an assessment of the environmental benefits of the improved design. So let's hear the next presenter, Ms. Jessica. She will discuss the significance of the project.
Significance of the project. The project aims to optimize windmill efficiency in Sorsogon City, Philippines, addressing the city's lacks of widespread utilization of wind energy. The project demonstrates the viability and potential for wider adoption of windmills, contributing to energy independence and sustainability. Improved windmill efficiency can lower energy costs, stimulate economic growth, attract new investment, and create new jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance sectors. This project also contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emission and air pollution associated with fossil fuel-based energy generation. The research methodology is designed for scalability, allowing for larger scale wind turbines and smaller installations for individual, household, or communities. Future research will explore the integration of optimized windmills with energy storage solution and commercialization.
Chapter 2, Objective of the project. This project aims to improve the energy generation efficiency of a small-scale, 3-bladed wind turbine by at least 5%. We will achieve this through
iterative design process involving detailed kinematic modeling, developing and validating a model to predict power output under various wind conditions. Data-driven design iterations, improving the design based on testing results and model predictions, making quantifiable changes to blade parameters. Statistic performance comparison, statistically comparing the final prototypes performing to a baseline model. Comprehensive reporting, documenting the entire process including models, data analysis, and error assessment in a detailed report.
A related scientific concept and application in the project. This project explores wind energy generation using a three-sided wind turbine. Key scientific concepts included aerodynamics, how wind interacts with blade shape and angles, mechanics, blade movement and energy transfer, and energy efficiency.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm John Mark Dominais from BTLX 2B. The project uses formula to calculate wind power, left drag, and rotational energy to optimize turbine design, testing different blade design. We build that adjustment to the blade angle, aerodynamic improvements significantly impact energy production. The findings demonstrate the potential of improved wind turbine design for increased efficiency and environmentally friendly electricity generation. So, para daw sir mas maging angkop ang windmill sa sarong lugar, halimbawa dito sa Sorsogon, kaya po natin mag-testing iba't ibang types ng blade na maangkop sa lugar na ito na pagkakabitan ng windmill. Kasi sir, hindi naman natin pwedeng gayahin yung katulad sa ibang lugar na windmill kasi pwedeng hindi umangkop dito sa lugar na to yung design ng blade ng windmill nila. So para mas maging epektibo ang paggamit ng windmill dito sa lugar ng Sorsogon, kailangan mong mag-test ng different types of blade na sasakto or aangkop sa lugar ng Sorsogon kasi iba naman yung pagkakagawa sa ibang lugar ng windmill kumpara dito sa Sorsogon. So sa madaling salita sir, kailangan nating mag-create ng sa atin mismo na design ng windmill para mas umangkop or mas maging epektibo ang paggamit ng windmill dito sa syudad ng Sorsogon sir. So kung gusto natin ng mas epektibong windmill, kailangan mag-test tayo ng iba't ibang klaseng blade. Salamat sir.